Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to take off the front bumper on your Infiniti Q50. Alright guys, once you pop the hood, you got to take this cover off. Okay, in order to do that, you got to take off all these clips. There's 8 of them all together. These back here too. And these come off easy. You just take a flathead screwdriver like this, and you just pop these off. Okay. Once you pop it up, you just come right off. Okay. Once you get the clips off, this just comes right off. Alright guys, there's 2 more clips you have to take off. They hold the bumper in place. So you just take these off. Same way. Okay, there's another one here. Okay, next thing we got to do, there's 2 screws, one under here, and the other one is under here. That's a 10mm. We got to take those off. Alright guys, I just want to show you what they look like. See that 10mm right there? That's the one that has to come off. Okay. Alright guys, I turned the wheel all the way to the right there to get access to this clip right here. So you just gotta take your screwdriver, take that off. Then you're able to pull this back and just push this out of the way. Yeah, there's another 10mm bolt you need to get out. You just take your wrench and put it in there and just take it off on both sides. Alright guys, I put the car on ramps just to give me more room. But you need to take off all these bolts that are underneath, okay? So you have this one, there's 10 of them all together. They run all on the bottom there. So let's take some of these off, let's see. Alright guys, now that you have all the clips and everything off, you're just gonna grab it and start snapping it, okay? So it snaps from up here. Okay. Come in here, all along here. Okay. Like that. Alright guys, this bumper is pretty much off. You just got to disconnect everything. So there's one down here for the fog lights. You just press the button, it comes right down. You have one here, and once you disconnect this, you got to unhook it from this little clip. And there's another one right here. Okay. All this, you just press the buttons and pull them out. Alright guys, I put something on the bottom here to just kind of prop it up while I disconnect everything. So this is disconnected and it just comes right off. Okay guys, so to put it back together is basically the reverse. You're just going to put the bumper, pop it up on something. Just going to use this and plug in the lights and just pop it back in. Back in place. Okay. Kind of lift it in place and include all the wires and stuff. It goes up here. Sure, it goes in here. Like that. And you just kind of flip it into place. Alright, install the clip. Alright guys, next step is putting this little bracket in the 10mm. Remember, they're marked right hand side, and this is gonna fit in there just like that. You just slide it right in there. So lift this up, just slide it right in, and put your 10mm on, and put your ratchet. Alright guys, next step is sliding this piece of plastic on there. Alright guys, you got to put the clips in. Remember, there's 2 different kinds. One has 3, this one has 4. The ones that have 4 go here, here, and right here for the bumper, okay? The other ones that have 3 go along the other side, okay? So this is 3. Okay. All right, guys, that's how you remove a bumper and put it back on an Infiniti Q50 Q60. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.